around the world and into your eyes and ear holes, this is GoPro News Network. So breaking news, GoPro just released a new firmware update. So we're gonna go all the way to GoPro headquarters at San Mateo, California, and we're gonna talk to Blanny Dak. He's gonna tell us all about that firmware update. Blanny, how's it going out there? Well, Danny, thanks for the connection
it's been
problem.
really fun.
Go ahead.
Excuse me. What did you say?
Well, Danny,
I think that there's
a bit of delay, and that's kind of screwing.
It's been
Continue.
really. Sorry. What did you say?
Why don't you just tell us about what the update is?
Should I just talk?
You know what? That was really annoying. I'm just going to do it myself. If you have the latest GoPro Hero 10, guess what? It finally works with the Max Lens mod. Yay, that's exciting, right? I mean, it's not anything different than what you already had on the Hero 9, but yay, it works. They also added some new resolutions and frame rates, which you see here on the screen. A couple to note is you get 5K 24 frames per second, which is great for that extra cinematic look. And also you get 5.3K 60 frames per second with Super View on. And if you pair that with Hypersmooth Boost, I think that might actually be a lot better than the Max Lens mod, just saying. They also reduced highlight clipping to prevent overexposure and bright conditions. And they've increased the accuracy of the battery recording time for the Enduro. I don't have that. I would like to have it, but nope, don't have it yet. They also released some general bug fixes and all that maintenance kind of stuff. Now, what's not listed here, and I'm sure that they just wanted to keep it quiet, was live streaming at 1080p. That is finally fixed. You can live stream at 1080p. Before that, it was only getting up to 360p, which is like 1999 technology. So that's really great to see. And I've tested it out, and 1080p, it looks all right. You get some encoding problems, but I think overall, the coolest part about it is Hypersmooth just makes it look that extra good for your viewers. Oh, and my producer is saying that Blanny Dak wants to add one more thing. Blanny.
Are we live?
Again,
Danny,
I just wanted some sort of connect. Sorry, come on. All right, we're gonna take a break, and when we come back, I'm gonna teach you my secret recipe for holiday cookies. And we're gonna talk to GoPro's CEO, Nick Woodman, about what his plans are for the Hero 11. So we'll see when we come back.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.